Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell my Hostinger domain. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. Once you're inside the H panel, locate and click on the Domains section. This page displays all the domains registered under your account. Find the specific domain you want to sell and click on Manage. This will open the settings page for that domain, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before transferring ownership. Here, scroll down until you find Transfer section. Once there, the first important step is to disable the domain lock. The domain lock is a protective feature that prevents unauthorized transfers or changes. Find the domain lock option in your management panel and switch it to disabled. This action authorizes the domain for transfer. Next, you need to get the authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This code acts like a secure password that verifies you as the legitimate owner of the domain. In your domain management settings, look for the option labeled Authorization Code or Get EPP Code and click on it. Hostinger will generate a unique code for your domain. Copy this code and share it with the buyer. They'll need it to initiate the transfer with their new registrar. Once you've provided the authorization code, the buyer can complete the transfer process on their end through their domain provider. And that's it. So that is how you can sell my Hostinger domain. So that's all for this video. Thanks.